Hello again, everybody. So I'm here with doing my second experiment, the bacterial enumeration, dilution, and plate count. I'm not sure how to say those words, but I'm here starting it already. And okay, so here I have my instructions. I have my tubes, and I'm filling them up with the sterile water, 2.25 mLs of distilled water. I have my plates labeled and numbered from 10, 1, 10, 2. I have my alcohol, I have my yeast, I have my sterile water, and so far it's going well. Okay, so I'm already processing my first test tube, and it says to pour 0.25 of the yeast into 10-1 test tube, which I did, and now it's telling me that from 10-1 pipette 0.2 mLs and put it to test 10-2. And I already did that, and it says several times to make sure there's nothing left on the pipette, which there's nothing. And then it's telling me repeat the transfer process from the pipette yeast solution from test 10-2 tube to test 10-3 and from test 10-3 tube to test 4, and so on and so on. So that's what I'm about to do, and I was trying to see if I can move them closer to the screen, because these things are very tricky. They sometimes you move them and they fall off. So I'm going to get 0.2 from this one, which is very tricky. You actually have to look for it. So I've got point. I'm going to put in this one, go back and forth to make sure nothing's left. So then it's telling me that from the test 10, I say -3. So I need to get 0.25, and there it goes. Gotta be careful with these. So my 4 is all the way over here. So then I gotta go. Let me put these back. They have to be in those little holes, or they move. So now I'm gonna get 0.25 from this one, and that one 0.25, and then I'm gonna put it on this one. Move this one back there. Okay, so everything goes, and then get 0.2 on that one, and into this one. This is the last one of these. See what I mean? They move. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with pouring from my test tubes into my plates. So I numbered them 10-1. So 10-1, it says I'm going to put 4 drops, so it's 0.12 mLs of the yeast solution into its belonging plate. So I'm going to do that with every single one of them. Okay, so I just poured my 4 drops into my little dish. It's kind of hard to even it out. Not sure if I did something wrong, but 4 drops into this little dish doesn't look like it's gonna work out. Maybe a few more drops, but I'm following directions. Hello everyone. So today is Thursday, so it's been 48 hours since I put my petri dish to incubate, and I have the 10, -1, 10, -2, 10, -3, 10, -4, 10, -5, and 10, -6. I'm not sure if I did it properly, but I thought that the -10, the 10, -1 will be, will have more colonies. But I'm gonna try to see if you guys can see it. There is something in there, but this is 10, -1. So you can see that there's stuff that actually did grow. I do think that maybe this one got a little contaminated, because as you can see right there, there is just this single colony. I'm not sure. I tried my best, but we'll see. 10, 2, there's hardly anything in there. There's a few. It's hard to see, especially with the video. You can kind of see it there. The one that did have something interesting was the 10-5. There's stuff there. First, I thought that I really contaminated the little petri dish. But the thing is that, because I saw something black, but it was just my writing in the other side of the dish. So, but yeah, so this one definitely has some. 10-6 though has so many. Look at it, you can barely see any empty spaces right there. There's just so many of them. That one's gonna be kind of hard to count. I think probably the easiest one probably to count is gonna be between 10, -2, 10, -3, and 10, -4. I'm gonna have to see which one I could count, and then I will post it in my lab. So that's the update of 48 hours. Thank you.